What's up, Chemical Guys fam? Today we're going over the top must-have detailing products to start a detailing business. Henry, let's get started.
Number one, ceramic. So there's going to be certain cars that want high amounts of protection. So I recommend going with Hydro Slick. Now Hydro Slick is a user-friendly and it's not just for professionals, also for weekend warriors. This is going to provide 12 months of protection, and you could apply this on glass, paint, chrome, aluminum, headlights, taillights, and the list goes on. This is a very easy to use ceramic, especially if you have a detailing business that is mobile and you want to apply ceramic on the go. This is a great ceramic to have in your arsenal to provide maximum shine and maximum protection using SiO2 formula.
Next on the list, we have microfiber towels. Now when it comes to microfibers, you can never have too many. You like how that feels, right?
So soft.
So when it comes to microfibers, you can never have too many, and what I mean by that is you use microfibers for everything that you do, whether it be drying your car, wiping down your wheels, your undercarriage, your tires, your interior, your exterior, your plastic, vinyl, rubber, trim, metal, paint, chrome.
3 hours later.
Headlights, taillights, tailpipes.
I ran out of fingers. I ran out of fingers.
No matter what it is on your car, you're gonna need microfibers, and make sure to invest in your microfibers right here. We have our professional grade microfibers, which I personally love because they have two different sides. They have a high ply and they also have a short ply. We'll get a little closer for you guys right now. And they also have a nice silk line edging, which is gonna be perfect for all surfaces. So whether it be a very delicate surface or a durable surface, you're gonna be in great hands.
Fun fact, use a short pile to remove glazes, sealants, waxes. Use a longer pile for quick detail sprays.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you like that, huh?
I don't know why I sounded like the insurance guy. You'll be covered.
Next up on our list is going to be total interior. I mean, you want one product that cleans up everything on your interior, such as dashboard, piano plastic, carbon fiber, vinyl, vegan leather, the list goes on. This product does it all. This product is not only going to clean it, but it's also going to provide some type of protection. Now this is going to be for the stealthy lovers that don't like any type of shine, just like a clean look. This is going to be your go-to product. Simply pair up your microfiber towel, spray some of this onto your microfiber towel, and wipe down your dashboard correctly.
Question for you.
Yeah.
Does it work on leather?
Yes.
Glass?
Yes.
Navigation screens?
Yes.
Fabrics?
Yes.
Upholstery?
Yes.
Cup holders?
Yes.
All right, I think we got it covered.
All right. Works on everything on your interior. Use one single product to clean it and protect it. Total interior.
Next on the list, we have the staple of your detailing business, which is going to be your detailing bucket. That's right, you need a bucket for basically anything when it comes to exterior, as far as like washing. It also has the lid on it, so you can go ahead and pop your tush on there and use it as a detailing stool, and you can really just use this for a variety of things, right? Cleaning wheels, washing your paint, use it as storage, put all your stuff in here, put your lid on there, put it in your back seat, you're good to go. So the bucket is a staple in your detailing business. If you guys don't have a bucket, I don't know how far you're gonna get, but make sure to pick up your bucket and you'll be good to go.
Next product on the list is going to be Blazin Banana Spray Wax. Now, Blazin Banana Spray Wax is an easy-to-use spray wax that is great for last touch-ups around your whole entire car. Once you're done washing your car and you get the little teardrops or watermarks everywhere, touch it up with Blazin Banana Spray Wax like this. You add a carnauba-based wax to your car that you just finished detailing, and your customers are going to love it. They're always going to think, hey, that guy went around my whole entire car with a carnauba wax and enhance the shine and protection around the paint. So just touch it up using Blazin Banana, simply spray, white formula, wax on, wax off. But simple, fast, and easy.
All right, Henry, the next thing on my list is going to be nonsense. Now, the reason I have it in gallon size is because nonsense can be used on a multitude of surfaces for cleaning, and it's only a cleaner. So whether you want to go ahead and clean your interior or exterior, this is going to be the perfect all-purpose cleaner to clean all those areas, and it's dilutable. So with this just 1 gallon, you can actually dilute it up to a 20-to-1 ratio, have it ready to go in a separate sprayer bottle, or use it as is for max cleaning power. And really, this is going to work on a multitude of surfaces, whether it be your interior, exterior, dashboards, door panels, fabrics, upholstery, floor mats, leather. Depending on how you dilute it is going to determine what it's going to be best used on. So that's going to be one of my top products.
Wait, Joey, you're telling me
Yes.
that if I'm starting a business, I buy 1 gallon of that cleaner, and that gets me essentially 20 gallon cleaner?
That's exactly correct. That's exactly what I'm telling you.
That's a smart business move.
Hey, invest in yourself.
Next product is going to be Black on Black. Now, Black on Black is one of my favorite enhancing shiners to your vinyl, rubber, and plastic on the exterior. Now this is an aerosol dressing, and for a lot of nooks and crannies, such as, name a car that has a small grill off the top of your head.
Kia Forte.
All right, Kia Forte. It has a small grill and the plastic is raw. So this is when you use an aerosol dressing or you're providing engine bay cleans and you can't get your dressing or your hand into nooks and crannies. Simply pop the lid off, shake up the product, missed it, and enhance the shine. Now this oil-based dressing is super easy to use, get in all the nooks and crannies, and it's dry to touch. So as soon as you apply it on, it's dry to touch. Now if you do have a little bit excess, next microfiber towel. You wipe off the residue, and like that you leave an OEM finish. It's super easy to use. If you have used this product, let us know in the comments down below, because these products are not just fun, fast, and easy to use, but these are must-have products, not only for your detailing business, but even for yourself.
That's right.
You have raw trim? Restore with this.
Do a little freight transition there, Jason.
Joey, come on, kick us off with the next product.
All right, so the next product is, let's get into some wash stuff. So right here I have a TORQ Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon, which I did not tighten all the way, but now it is. This right here is great because this is gonna allow you to cover your vehicle in a nice, thick, rich layer of super slick, premium, soapy, lathery suds.
But you can't provide suds with just a foam cannon. You need
right.
a soap.
You need some soap.
So Sticky Snowball is a great companion to have with your Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon. Like this, you produce the maximum suds. Now Sticky Snowball is designed to cling hard onto your paint like a burger. So it could remove
a booger.
Cling hard onto your paint like a booger. So
That's your saying. How you messed it up?
it clings so hard onto your paint that's going to cling super hard onto the dirt, grime, and debris. So like this, you achieve a scratch-free wash and you achieve a just wax finish because the gloss enhancers inside Sticky Snowball are amazing. They're like a piece of rusty stones. That's how amazing.
Yeah. Another thing I do want to add to the foam cannon is that this puts on a show whenever you're detailing. So whenever you're out, maybe at someone's house or you're on the road cleaning someone's car and you're dousing their car with all kinds of super crazy suds, people get excited. I don't know about you, Henry, but using a foam cannon gets me very excited because you see all the super clingy suds, and especially if you're someone that's never seen a foam cannon used before, that's gonna be one thing that you're gonna break your neck for. You're gonna turn around, what's going on? What is that guy getting on his car done? I want that same treatment, and then that's exactly how you're gonna drive business to yourself using this little tool right here.
Now that little tool right here does need to be used with equipment such as a pressure washer. We forgot to bring it out here, so just pop a PNG right here or something right here. It's a ProFlow PM2000 and it works fantastic. Now pair the PM2000 with the foam cannon, with Sticky Snowball, and like this you will be achieving shaving cream like suds, just how we do on our YouTube channels at home or at your detailing business. Before I forget, I chose this soap also because this soap is pH balanced. Now whenever you are doing any type of detailing, you don't know what type of protection that car that you're detailing might have. It might have a ceramic, it might have a glaze, it might have a sealant, a wax, who knows what. Your customer is going to be happy because they're knowing that anything you put on your car, such as this soap, is not going to strip off any type of protection. So it's great to use a pH balanced soap. Like this, you talk to your customer. You want me to up your shine on protection? Then you could use something like Hydro Slick. So you see, cross-selling, or you could even enhance even much more by providing them like Blazin Banana.
The next product I have on my list is EcoSmart Concentrate. Do you know why I chose a concentrate? Why'd you choose it? So the reason we chose EcoSmart Waterless Wash and Wax Concentrate is because I know Jason loves getting his best bang for his buck, right? Yeah. So with this product, just with this one 16-ounce bottle, you can actually dilute it and make up to 2 gallons worth of ready-to-use EcoSmart Wash and Wax. That's right. Now, what is a wash and wax? A waterless wash and wax is a waterless solution when it comes to washing your vehicle. So as opposed to using a car wash soap and a foam cannon and a bucket and running water and a wash mitt and a dirt trap and this, and that, all you need to wash your car is a bottle of this diluted and one of these right here. Well, not one of these, but you get the idea. You might need a couple more of these, probably about 5 to 6 to wash your vehicle, but this right here is a perfect alternative solution for any of you guys out there who don't have access to pressure washer or running water. So if you're in an area where there's water restrictions, like you're washing someone's car in an apartment complex and they don't allow you to spray water, you can actually use some of this. You spray it onto the vehicle, you wipe while rolling your wrist, and like that, you wipe away dirt, grime, dust, debris, pollen, and so much more. and also apply a nice fine layer of wax to the vehicle all in one single step. And it works on a multitude of surfaces, whether it be paint, glass, chrome, headlights, wheels. You can use it on all those surfaces with great results.
Flip it, flip it. So it actually has a lot of clay and wax at the bottom. So all of these are just basically lubricants. So whenever before you dilute it, you just need to hit the bottom of the bottle. Come on, hit the bottom. No, other way, like this. You just gotta mix it in. And once you already mix everything in, that's when you're ready to dilute it. So beforehand, we didn't want to do this part because once it's already fully mixed, it's ready to be diluted.
Looks pretty ready to me, man.
Yep. So how many ounces per gallon?
So per gallon, you're going...
Quick math. There's 16 ounces in here. 8 ounces per gallon.
1 ounce.
Per gallon? You said you mix 2 gallons.
No, you mix 1 ounce to a gallon size, and then you mix the rest of water.
What? If you're making 2 gallons out of this bottle, you split half and half.
You're using 2
Math
ounces.
ain't mathing. Math is
The question is off, all right?
No, I said how many ounces do you use
Look,
per gallon?
you see this little graphic right here? 1 16 ounce, 2 gallons.
Jason is
1 16 ounce can make you 16 16-ounce bottles.
That's 1 ounce per 16 ounce.
Yes.
Now there's 128 ounces.
You're doing 8 ounces.
Yes.
You're gonna need to create like a diagram right here, just like.
No, he needs to create some.
You ever seen that freaking The Hangover scene where the guy just has all the numbers going on his head? He's like, can you do that for me? Just.
Hey, 2 plus 2.
21.
And finally, my last product that I chose is going to be the clay system kit. Now the clay system kit, it has everything you need to decontaminate the surface of a car. Before you do any type of polishing, a ceramic coating, you always want to use something that's going to decontaminate the surface of the car. Now this kit comes with everything you need to do that. So it comes with a clean slate. So like this, you have a secondary soap, not like this. This clean slate is actually going to remove any glazes, sealants, and waxes or protection away from the surface of the car. Then it's going to come with the OG clay bar and the clay lubricant, so you could just decontaminate the surface of the car. And after that, it also comes with our fan favorite butter wet wax, just to enhance some type of shine and protection. Now, butter wet wax is going to provide 3 months of protection compared to 12 months protection. That's when you start telling your customer, do you want more shine, more protection? What are you looking for? Something on the short term, something on the long term? Are you guys taking it serious, or is it just something just get in and get out? So this is a great clay system kit to have in your arsenal. So like this should provide some type of decontamination to your ride. And you could also decontaminate wheels, glass, metal, and paint using this kit.
I like it.
I love it.
My last product is Insight Foaming Color Changing Wheel Cleaner. It is a foaming wheel cleaner that starts off blue and turns white to let you know when it's ready to either be rinsed off or worked in with the brush. Now the reason I chose this product is because whenever you're doing a detailing business, you want to be fast, you want to be effective. This product is perfect for that because when it comes to dirty wheels, all you need to do is simply give them a little pre-rinse, spray that on there, allow it some time to dwell, to break down all the dirt, grime, and brake dust. And then, like I said, depending on the severity of the dirtiness of the wheels, if it's very dirty, you can go ahead and start scrubbing it with the brush. If it's not that bad, go ahead and rinse it off, and you're on your way to beautiful, crystal clear rims.
What kind of wheels can you use it on?
So with Insight, you can actually use it on basically any smooth, glossy wheel finishes, whether they be painted, powder coated, chrome, aluminum, forged aluminum, alloy, you name it. It's gonna work on basically all those smooth, glossy wheel surfaces for that perfect clean finish.
So anyways, guys, if you guys do want to pick up any of these products today to start your detailing business or up your detailing game, you guys already know where to find them, chemicalguys.com or our local detail garage. As always, we'll see you guys next time here at Chemical Guys. We're not supposed to walk away. We're supposed to use the staple of the art to put everything away. So look, I'm gonna show you guys how to store your guys' product on the go. Boop.
You really gonna be able to fit all this in there?
Yeah, you're gonna have to carry some stuff.
No.
You take that.
I'll take these.
You take that. I take this, and we're out of here.